Yo, what up, Maquinita? What's up, dude? What up, my dude? Yo. What's up? What's up? I don't know what's going on with the stream. It says I'm offline. Are you guys on here? It says live stream offline. Alright, let me try this again. Everyone's having the problem? No fucking way! Dude. TMI said, dude, this is why I literally said I was going to make a live page for the website I just created. I'm gonna have a live tab because of this shit. This is annoying, man. All live streams are having the same issue. Fuck. Alright, well, here we are, man. Here we are. It does make it more bullish. Yeah, what's going on? What's going on with the live stream? Well, at least I can see you guys are in here. Hello, Matt, Carrick, John, Moon, what's up? YouTube, get on this shit, bro. What are you doing? Get on this shit, YouTube. Hope you're not trying to help this corrupt system out. Like, what are you doing? All right, well, hello. For those of you that are in here, look at this prize action, baby. We had amazing rally yesterday after hours, and man, we're just chilling it out right now before we get the next leg up, in my opinion. We might see a bit of a rally here in the short term. I think this is trying to shake off as many people. Not only share-wise, but guys, a lot of people go in on options, so this is the perfect setup here to shake off as many call and put holders, because they're scared. They're like, what is going to happen here? Are we going to dump or are we going to rally? So this is why they bring it up after hours and then, you know, bring it all the way back down. And then we also, like, something that's bullish, dude, is like the fact that we came back down to fill this gap. Okay, now we don't have to worry about that. Okay, so this is bullish as fuck. All right, let me see if I'm live because says one waiting. I don't know what's going on. Apparently other people are having the same issue, but I just want to make sure I am live and you guys can actually watch me because I can't see it on my phone. So I might have to restart the stream. What are the chances of this, guys? Like, is it the fact that this shit is happening, like, right as soon as we come up? It just makes no fucking sense. On my end, it says there's 0 people on the chat. It says there's 0, like, it says you guys are on a waiting screen. I was gonna make a page where you guys can just go and hop in on the website, so that just in case you don't have like a Twitch account or something. Well, a lot of people don't have a Twitch account. A lot of people do though. So a lot of people are having the same issue. So, like, did it get resolved? Did it happen to them and then did it get resolved after? Mine says 0. There's 0 people in here apparently. I guess we'll figure it out though. We'll figure it out. We'll stick along, man. We'll stick along and chill it out, and we'll see what happens here in the future. Aldo, thank you, man. I love Astro. Astro is a huge inspiration. He's a good guy. Has amazing theories that align very much with mine. I love that guy. I love him. Casey was refreshing early. Let's see, I'm gonna refresh too. It says live stream offline. Okay, let me see. The timing is the thing that pisses me off here. Yeah, still having the same problem. What is going on? Oh, YouTube. Okay. All right. We'll leave it be and see if it fixes itself. All right, guys. So this is what I'm looking at here in the short term. We've got a pretty flat setup here. Okay, but we did come down really quick to test this previous support, so that's really bullish. We also opened up the day filling in that gap, that after hours gap, which is good. Remember, slow and steady wins the race, and we're slowly staring our way up. And I think, you know, we're coming to a point here in the near future. You know, it's barely Wednesday. We do have Powell speaking later today, so that will, you know, that's already, it's part of the cycle, part of the whole thing. You already know. And we'll see how that plays out here. But, dude, just look at it. You know, would you just look at it for a second? This shit is crazy. We got some shit going on. Ethereum Classic is just chilling it out. It seems like it's about to take a curl down here and sort of start to come down here in the near future. It has been on a rally, so that's when you're going to see AMC really follow its footsteps and get those percentages, right, that we're looking for. You can barely hear me? How about that? Is that better? Yo. Would you just look at it? Yeah, seriously, just look at it. All right. Bring in the volume. Getting a little push down. The biggest deal. I wanted to show you guys I'm going to show you here in the near term. Once we kind of settle in and figure out the price action. We know where this move right here. This move, we've seen it happen before. Multiple times. Okay. This intro here reminds me of what happened on September 30th. It's that same start here, which typically ends up creating a larger cup. That basically sets us up for a run here in the near future. I would not be surprised if this is what happens here today, and then we set up for a rally later in the day. Now, that is not the case, and we rested out here for a couple more days. That's still fine. Looking at it from the scenarios that we've laid out here. Okay, look at this. This is what we got going on here. This is the 120-day scenario. We're taking the GameStop pattern here before the January run-up. Or, I'm sorry, the June run-up. And this was the setup that we had going on. So we're playing it out pretty nicely here. Remember, on its way up, it's going to be a little bit more volatile. It's not going to look the same at all. Okay, so you just have to look at the direction. So I think, even if we were to come back down and just chill it out here, I'm looking at, next week for being that major run. Is what is telling me right here is what fits best on this theory. It's also what fits best on the actual pattern setup that we're looking at here. Triple bottom, cup and handle. So, if we get it soon, great. I'm fucking down. sooner the better, right? But the target here, what we're looking at, is early next week, around Tuesday time. So even if we get a breather, dude, it doesn't matter. We're on the right track. We're doing good. I don't see any more downside. I don't. We call this to be the bounce, and it's looking like this is going to be it, dude. I'm ready for this shit, man. I'm excited. Did he? I thought it was at later today in the afternoon. Let me see. Because if that's the case, then we don't have to worry about that anymore. That's weird. I could have swore that it was in the afternoon. Let me see. Hold up. It's 23rd. Oh, you're right. Yeah, 7 o'clock Central. How did I miss that? Okay, yeah, I guess we don't have to worry about that anymore. All right. Well, that's fit in. I guess we just have to worry about a rally, man. Fucking rally it up. Let's get it. All right, YouTube, stop fucking with my channel. All right, what are you doing? I can't see anything. There's 0. It says 0 on my end right here. 0 viewers on my end. And I'm like, I hope it's not affecting, it might be affecting a couple of you guys. It's definitely affecting me in here because I can't see what's going on. Interesting. Okay. What happened to the music? Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do, just to make sure. That's hilarious. What do you guys think it is? Do you think this has to do anything with Moas? Moas. What do you guys think? We had the same fucking problems last time too. It's like, can you make it more obvious, dude? Can you make it more fucking obvious? They fucking shut down Reddit. They shut down Twitch, Discord, all of the above, bro. Can you make it more obvious, man? SMH. Look at that big candle, dude. All right, let's pull it up. Let's pull it up. The date that I'm talking about. Compare. So that's what we do here. We compare charts and patterns. Try and figure it out. All right, this is exactly what I, oh my God, bro. You guys are gonna freak out when I show you this freaking chart. We track it every time because, not because we want to follow what's going to happen that day, but because it gives us signals where there's like a point of interest. Like if there's a fall happening at, 10:30, it'll tell us that, and then we can prepare for that, right? But we never want to look at the actual ratio at which things went down or went up, because then you're betting to lose at that point. Okay, so be careful with this, but I'm going to show you this because I think it's important. All right. Whoops. Okay, so 8:30 is right here. Okay, and this right here is 9:56. I'm trying to align it. Where is it? Right there. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Guys, this is September 30th, okay? I always bring this chart up here because I see similarities in the way that the day starts, and this is a common setup here, okay? Don't be surprised if we do play out the day kind of like this, where it's just kind of sideways, we're just coming up, coming down, and then we set up for like an end of day sort of rally. I'm not betting on this thing going all the way up like it did on September 30th, but I'm saying, I'm using this chart as like a blueprint, what can happen, what's, not that it's the most likely thing to happen, but what can happen. Look at how close these things are aligning together. You guys can see the time down here, right? We have 30th or 10:30 right here lining up with this. Like it's the same fucking thing. Like, and this is what I'm talking about when I say points of liquidity or zones are very important. You can see the price action take you down, right? Now we're starting to come back up. You see that? Down, up. Same time. It's the same time. Like, that's what I'm talking about. Don't pay too much attention to the rally, okay? Again, be careful. Don't bet on this. It's not the right thing to do. It's dangerous. Have good risk tolerance going into it. Not financial advice. I'm just showing you what I see. But that is just one similar chart, if you ask me. Here, I'm gonna do the little vertical line thing because I think this is helpful here in lining them up. Do this every time. 8:30. Okay, there we go. So we go to 15. Actually, it's really close. Right there. All Perfection. Hey, we're back in business. It works. We're back in business, guys. YouTube said we're gonna give him a pass. All right, AMC's coming down, so we'll turn it back on. Make it look like everything's okay. Yo, what up? It looks like one nasty chart, if you ask me. Possible. We will see, though. Okay, don't put too much faith in something like this. But it does at least suggest that there might be a sort of stagnant day. Okay, that is for sure. I would probably agree with that, is that this looks to me like they're trying to shake off as many people as they can until we hit a rally point. It just... I mean, it has everything to do with options, dude. Options are the way they're driving the price, you know? So it does feel like that. It feels like that very much so. You know what this is too, bro? This is your little arc pattern right here. This is the arc bouncing into June 11th right here, coming in, and then you got your little blue pattern. You got all this stuff coming in, and then you're like boom, boom, and then you come back down, and you're basically repeating the entire pattern here intraday. We'll see if things play out, man. If they don't, and we start to rally soon, then I'm cool with that too. Yeah, that, dude, I'm telling you, I'm gonna make a live stream on the website just in case they pull this bullshit during the squeeze. I'm not gonna fuck around. You guys are we're gonna be live. All right, we're gonna be live on that. We're not gonna miss it. I'm gonna make sure of it. So give me a couple days and I'll get it in there. All right, let's, oh, dude. All right, we'll come back to this. I'm gonna minimize this for a little bit. We'll come back to it. Okay. The chat's blurry? For real? Yeah, I'm gonna make it bigger. But I'm gonna like do that. So it'll have a couple of you guys in there, but at least you guys can see, you read what's happening. Okay, so I'll show you guys some shit, because this is, dude, yesterday I stayed up pretty late. I stayed up till 4 because I was looking at obviously, like, you gonna go to bed after AMC rallies fucking 30%? No. So yeah, we can do some charting. I'm gonna show you real quick though what I'm talking about here, because this thing is important. Here yesterday, intraday, no, not intraday, after hours, we had some. So I'm gonna bring up Ethereum Classic, because that is what we're comparing here, right on top. But I do have to change this. candles. You like candles. So many colors. All right, all right. There you go. So you guys know that when we start to rally, typically you will get Ethereum go first. So they can, you know, get all that liquidity and hook it up and stuff. So yesterday at 3, okay, so I stayed up till 4 and I was watching the price action here. And look, so we start coming up here at 3, right? Ethereum's just chilling right at the dump. Look at that. Ethereum Classic pump. Right at the fucking dump, dude. Pump. I mean, dude, come on. No other cryptocurrency right now is rallying. I was looking at all of them. The only one that was going up was Ethereum Classic. Everything was down. Okay, Bitcoin was down. Ethereum was down. Doge was down. Ethereum was pumping. Dude, it's clear, man. It's clear. I'm so proud of you, Amy. I am so proud of you for breaking out. This is fucking awesome, dude. Yeah, let's do some charts. Let's see what's going on. All right, here's our little cup and handle setup. Some dude was pissed off the other day because he's like, that's not a cup and handle. I'm like, not yet, but like, okay, cup and handles look messy on the way up. Don't pay too much attention to what's going on here. Pay attention to the full reversal, okay? And then you get a little handle, right? That would be a cup and handle, right? If you look at this on the daily chart, it will be clear that this is a cup and handle. So, yeah, don't pay too much attention to this. Cup and handles are built off of triple bottom setups, typically. You have a lot of accumulation right here before breaking out. Yeah, this is very typical of Wyckoff too. Like, and this is one of the Wyckoffs that actually did work, finally, right? You have your phase here in which things actually started. And then this is your accumulation phase, right? We got the little spring action, 2 little LPSs right here. And then I believe that here in the short term, we're about to get a little SOS action going into that power move up. Okay, and that's what will take us, right? Which is kind of cool because, you know, that does align with that 29th date that we're talking about too. If we do get that push, this would make so much sense. From like a Wyckoff's perspective, this would make so much sense, dude. All right, let's pull up the AMC chart here. And let's update some things, man, that we haven't talked about. We haven't talked about the cycle in a little bit, so I want to do that. Let's pull it up. Yeah, we are in the projector pattern, and the cycle is tracking very nicely. According to it, things are shifted just a tad bit because of the rollover date, so I'm going to show you what that means here. That means is that we're basically replicating the projector pattern just a couple of days before. You guys can see that. So we are, instead of being on the 21st here, we're actually rolled over just a couple of days to meet, right, according to this setup that we have. Most of these start around the 15th, 13th, 15th, right? And then 15th over here, and this is the 18th. Right over here, we have a rollover in dates because that's what happens every single year. So this cycle is actually shifted a couple of days, and that is the effect that we're getting in right now. I don't know if you guys can see that, but here is that projector pattern, okay? Now, things are not going to play out this exact way. Like, don't expect the price to go up, you know, to these levels. We're just looking at these levels here of, and things can always play out inverse too at any given point. So if you start to see another rally like that, you know, it's gonna look a little different. So right now I'm giving the cycle just a breather, because since we are going up, I always talk about this. The cycle is more accurate when it's being shorted, because that's when the algorithm is actually working overtime. And I always talk about this right here, because this is a prime example of that, right? This is probably one of the most accurate patterns here. This one and then this one back here, they're the most accurate cycles that I've seen, because they're heavily shorted, okay? Right here, we have the red portion. You can see it clear that things are playing out like basically identical as it moves down, right? Here we have the inverse happening on the cycle, okay? So here you can clearly see that it's happening manipulation, right? But right over here, when we start actually coming up, you will see a merge into a new cycle. When we are headed to new price levels, and like, especially if it's going to be above the previous all-time high, you will get a different cycle. So it's not going to look the same anymore. So right now we're kind of just, we're acknowledging the fact that we're clashing, you know, with a new cycle, and we're tracking the upward momentum, but we're not going to be tracking things to a T intraday, and that is fine. We've been calling this ever since. It's been a thing that we've talked about, that at some point the cycle is going to look larger. It's going to be bigger. So, all right, cycle update done. Let's look at the, where is it? Parallel channel. How? Amy loves to ride the channel. Okay, this is a parallel channel that we have been respecting ever since COVID. Okay, every year COVID comes down and just chills on this regression trend. Okay, we talked about this a couple months ago. You guys saw that video 2 years. We come here on the 4 hour. Okay, you can see that we're still in that zone. We had a little spring action before coming back up, and now we seem to be sort of testing this resistance level, okay? So even if we came down, dude, real quick to test right up here around the $18 level, that would not be a bad thing before coming back up, okay? That's what this is looking like. And it does look very similar, man, to the projector pattern here. It's funny that we're like replicating the projector pattern right now, because it goes hand in hand with the cycle that we're tracking, and that's what's important. Yeah, bro. Jeez, that's just like perfect. Now, it's a point of interest does not mean that we're gonna run the same way to 77. Just means that it's likely that we are going to run a little bit. Okay, but we do have to chill it out, man. Okay, once we get to these levels, this is a different setup. It's not the same. We have to look at different analysis when it comes to it. All right. What up, Matt? Chris, Joe, Greg. What is up? All right, let's this is looking pretty similar still to that September 30th pattern that we have going on. That's pretty cool. So end of day, man, what I'm looking at here is, so for just intraday, I am going to say that a larger cup is very likely, okay? Just because I think, well, maybe that's too low. Hold up. Us coming down to test this like $18 level right here would just be ideal to build that support right before coming into around this like 130 central before coming up again. Just from like a technical perspective, it seems like the most likely thing to happen here in the short term. This is Ethereum up here, by the way. Let me pull up Ethereum's chart here on the, let's go on the 1 minute. See if I could do this. No, let's go on the 5 minute. I'm gonna take the entire freaking pattern ever since the run up here. We're gonna compare it. So the run up started on March 18th. I'm gonna do it at 8:05 to current. I'm gonna do 8:05 just to be exact. And that is 6 days right there of goodness. Is it? Or is it 5? It's 5. 5 days. That will come here on the 5 minute too. And the way I'm gonna basically convert this entire pattern is, well, I do have to fit it accordingly. So March 18th at 8, right? Because we were not here on the weekend, to now at 8. 8:05, there we go. So that is what it is. And since we're tracking, we're not tracking some of the patterns yet. Okay, we're still chilling it out. So I would say we would be probably, oh, look at that. Wouldn't that make sense? This is probably where I think we are in the tracking, in my opinion. I think we're around this phase right here. And this is funny because this literally indicates more upside if we are tracking Ethereum, which I believe we are. Now, just consider the fact that the ratios in which we go up are going to be different, okay? They're two different. Like, Ethereum is its own thing. It's going to be easier to pump. Okay, if we have already reached its high here and we're ready for Ethereum to come back down, like on a macro level, that is where we're going to really get that push. Okay, once you start trading against each other, guys, you will see nastier pushes up. But here intraday, the shifting is going to be just, a couple of days apart until we start really spreading out. So Ethereum Classic here does kind of imply some sort of move in the short term. Now, yeah, look at these fib levels. Look at these levels, bro. Okay. Natural fib levels. We got one right here where it's kind of like noisy, but these two and right here is like are the same. Well, this one too. This one's the same. Look at that shit. They come down. The pattern, it doesn't have to look exactly the same, guys, but you get the deal. Sideways trading right here until a move up, and this would go hand in hand with that September 30th setup. Okay, because a lot of this stuff is happening after hours here for Ethereum, which means it has to be pushed to fit intraday for AMC. Okay, so I would not be surprised, dude, if we do get that after hour, or not after hours, but that like end of day sort of rally. I mean, Ethereum Classic, bro. Ethereum Classic is... I'm in love. I'm in love. Not financial advice. Be careful. But damn. But damn, bro. You know, somewhere, wherever we get that, let's come back here and compare the current setup that we have here on September 30th. I'm gonna pull the chart out just a bit so we can see what's happening beforehand too. I'm a little curious. Okay. Wesley, you're all good, my guy. Here we go. Again, we're gonna add the little lines. 30. There we go. Hey, what up? Okay, here we go. Whoa. 15 is right here. And this is 8 o'clock. And, bro, it's so hard sometimes to fit these. Can't see. Can't see, I can't see. 15. I think that's fair. There we go. Look at that. Look at that, my guy. Except we're going up right now. Wait, we're going up because that's exactly what's happening here. Honestly, right here. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit because I feel like we can't see what's going on. Oh. Yeah, let's leave it right there. We'll fit it right there. It's just so much harder to fit it. Can't see. There we go. Ha! Cycles, man. Are they not real? They're fucking real, dude. Look at that. Are you guys seeing this? Are you not seeing this? Zone right here. And then we start to come up. Look, if we come back down here in the short term, if we could do this. Cycles. And there's people, guys, there are people that just do not want anything to do with it. Respect, okay? I'm not gonna tell you what you should believe and what you shouldn't, because that's not my goal. But if you things resonate with your perspectives and morals and stuff like that, then cool. And I'm doing my part. But gee, my dude, this is what I'm looking for right here, right now. Triangle shit. Yeah, let's do a little brush. That is what I'm expecting because that's what's happening down here. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna trace this entire thing right here, right now for you. So that we can just use it as reference and we don't have to come back. I didn't even think about that. Just fucking trace it and we don't even have to come back to the screen. Because on TradingView, it'll just leave it. It'll just leave it. Except my hand is shaking like crazy right now. Hey, we did it. Look at that. Nice. Well, at least we got this guy for reference. And, Yeah, we'll see what happens here. I'm still gonna leave it on the screen. I'm just gonna give that guy away. There we go. Hey, let's get it. No, hype is good, man. Hype is good because, bro, that's what keeps this whole thing going, man. Like, we gotta be optimistic about things. We can't be bears. We can't be pessimistic about the situation. That's not the play. The play is optimism. The play is we want to squeeze. You know what I'm saying? Be careful, right? At the end of the day, be careful with your money, but still be optimistic. It's just like life, bro. You know, you're gonna have down days, but you gotta keep your head up. It's the whole thing with AMC and fucking Jimmy too. It's the deal, okay? Chilling it out, hype it up. You know. Yeah, no, I'm with you, man, Chris. I am with you, my guy. Me too. But you know what? It's gonna pay off in the end. It's gonna pay off in the end. That's what I believe. I love Rico though. Rico is my dude, man. We still have to. I gotta get on Call of Duty with him. I have not played with him in a while. I love Rico, dude. Rico is he's a little cuddly bear, man, is what he is. He's a good guy. He is. Never been jacked. More jacked. Hell yeah, dude. I'm jacked. Guys, look. Look at the cycle playing out. My dude. Look at that shit. Yeah, we got little mountains is what they are. Mountains. Mountains. And then we got Mount Everest back here. At 130, baby. If shit goes down, alright? At 130. If shit goes down, we gonna rally it up. Like you've never rallied it up before, okay? Yeah, Rico and Astro are the only reason I'm doing this right now. They shared me on Twitter. That's the only reason I'm doing this, man. So I think those guys a million. Those guys are yeah, it's just, I love those guys. I love those guys. And we share very similar values and stuff. Very similar approaches, you know. Rico does this whole Wyckoff thing. Astro does Wyckoff too, and he does cycles and stuff. So I do a little bit more, obviously more of the cycle thing, patterns and shit. But man, this is a Wyckoff setup right here that we're looking at right here. Intraday, that's a Wyckoff setup. Set up. So. Yeah, I remember those too, man. Fucking Rico raids. That was fun. That was fun as shit. Rico hasn't streamed in a while. I have not seen that guy stream. Sub has the boss. Hey. Lorian. I have AMC YouTubers looking for other YouTubers to collaborate with. I don't mind, man. I don't mind. If he wants to hit me up, he's more than welcome to. Tell him to DM me or something, or go on the Discord and talk it up. I'm doing an interview with KC over the weekend, I believe. So I'll remind you guys later in the not in the stream, but like just in the week. I'll remind you. But I believe I'm doing one this week with KC, my guy KC. So yeah, he wants to do an interview. He wants to interview me and talk about life, man. Yeah, Casey's awesome. All those guys, they're all cool. Everybody's fucking cool. I love everybody in the community, bro. Except people that tell you to fucking sell. Not those. Everybody but those. Never. I would never forget you guys. Hell no. This is why I love to get intimate in the chat, man. When I say that, I mean it. Like, I know each and every one of you that are here every single day. Like, bro, I know what you do. I know what you like, bro. I know you. Okay? Kind of want to, like, get on, like, a video chat or something with all you guys at some point. That would be awesome. Like, get on, like, a Zoom or some shit. Just, like, fucking chat it out. Like, I genuinely would not, like, that would be awesome. That would be awesome. Get on the fucking Discord and just chill with a bunch of you. If you guys want to do that, man, I can set up a date. I will bring you guys in. We don't even have to go live. We can just fucking chill. You can hop in on the Zoom if you want, and we could just talk, alright? What's up? What up? Sangster, what up, dude? My dude, what up, what up, what up? I gotta move this a tiny bit, because as the chart starts moving here, it fucks with the alignment. And I haven't... Okay, hold up. Again. There we go. Perfect. All right, we're getting some pressure up. This might be... Is it going to be a break, or are we going to come back down? What is it going to be, Amy? Look how similar they look, though. Me stretching them out. Look. Look at that. Wow. Right there. I'm going to leave it right there. Is this a push, though? All right, I'm not going to lie. There is a push right here. So if we start to come up, you know, we're breaking away from this. If we don't get a push down here, and we just start going up, we are getting a different breakout right here, my guy. And if we do, we're going to rally it up. We're going to say, fuck you, September 30th. We're going to rally way before 1:30 today. We about to break out and do our own thing. What do you like? What do you like about that, huh? Yeah, I think we're about to go. We about to go. Yeah, some volume's picking in. Look at that. All right, well, here. Let's just wait it out. Let's wait out a couple more minutes. I don't want to get ahead of myself, and then, you know, things start to fall. Little tiny moves up don't mean that we're gonna come back, right? All the way up. So we just gotta make sure that this is not like a fake out. That's where we're at. That's where we're at right now, though. Right here. So this is a little bit noisy right here. You know, if we do come back down, then you're gonna see that, right? Same thing, right? But if not, if we start pushing up, what I'm looking at is this level right here. I think once we cross this, it'll be a lot easier to make a cup here. And then potentially that little handle. Remember last time though, we didn't get a handle. We just we blew right through. This thing didn't stop. No handle. No handle on that cup. Just straight up. Greg, ditto, man. Ditto. It's hard to sleep last night. That's why I'm drinking hella coffee right now, okay, with my guy. The little cup and the little handle. Yeah, we don't need no handles, right? This is where you defy the rules of pattern analysis, technical analysis, right? We do pattern analysis because we look at patterns. What up, fam? What up, dude? My dude. No, it's not Ethereum Classic. This is September 30th. Hey, if we get this breakthrough, we're gonna rally, bro. And you know what? I don't care. I'm gonna play that music again. And if YouTube wants to shut me down, well, they could try. They could try. Try all at once. Oh, dude, I think we're gonna go. I think this thing just said, nope. September 30th, not today. All right, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Let's take away September 30th. And let's throw some elephants in the chat. How about that? How about that? Huh? You want some elephants? Throw them in the chat, bro. Throw some elephants in the chat. Okay, because Amy wants to rally. Okay, she wants to rally hard. I think she wants to rally. Oh, yeah. There it is. She wants to fucking rally. She wants to rally. Well, let's get some fucking elephants, right? You guys ready for some elephants? We need a lot of them. It's gonna get loud in here, bro. I'm telling you. One. Loud. And... yeah. Let's get it, boys and girls. We are in rally territory, okay? We have dancing elephants and rockets in space. Let's go. Let's fucking get it, boys. And ladies, ready? You know what, though? This kind of looks like September 30th, but like on a micro level. You know, you got everything going on here that needs to be going on. Okay? And we're about to come up here, have a little fake out, little cup, little tiny cup before we boom. Come on, Amy. Show them what you got. I apologize. That was loud. Okay, I apologize. Oh, yo, guys, Rocket, I'm so sorry. The Rocket fucking audio was on. That was not supposed to be on. Holy shit, I apologize. That fucking sucks. That's why I blew your eardrums out. I'm so sorry. Okay, whatever, it's worth it, man. Look at this dancing elephant right here doing spins and shit. Oh yeah, get it. Get it. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay, that worked. So before YouTube blocks me and shit, I downloaded a playlist, so maybe we can just play off of this. Let's see. Turn the volume down. Let's see. Let's play Gorillas. Oh, yeah. Come on. Oh, shit. That's loud. Oh. Gorillas, baby. What you know about that? Rally it up. Where's my elephant dude at? Oh, shit, again? Okay, alright. Let's get it. Dance. Get it. Let's go. Get it. Hey. Come on, Amy. Break out.
Delights. It comes with a tone. I like that. I want to know before the mistakes and don't apply to. Just enjoy the gritty crunch. It tastes just like chicken. Rappers of many bite sizes. All mixed in the pot full. Mama's homemade from scratch. Well, not quite. Toasted over friends, they be tasting quite right. All hell King Neptune and his water. No snell thing too quick for his water. Don't waste time with your net. Our net worth is set, ready, go. Many know others. We be the
little shield, alright? Shield action.
24-hour sign. Shower mind habits while you dine like rabbits with the crunchy carrots. You gotta have it super fast. Super fast, the coming last. But just in time for breakfast. Keep it true, wherever blue. The night throws out to aluminum. A crush of fun, aluminum. The sea is radioactive. The sea is radioactive.
You want margin calling or what? The gift? Yeah, got you. What the hell happened? What happened? Okay, well, it just got off. Let's play some ABBA or some shit. How about that? Come on, Amy. Late. Amy, what are you doing? Turn around. That's what we need right now. That is what we need right now. Oh, you want the elephant again? I'll give you the elephant again. Alright, ready? Ready? Oh. Oh. Let's go, elephant. Come on, Amy. New rally, let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, this is a ABBA remix. Yes. Good old ABBA. You already know we play disco here all the time, baby. Disco. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, the reason I'm playing remixes is because, well, I mean, good remixes, all right? This one's, like, fucking awesome. It's because YouTube just loves to shut me down when I play the originals. Why not just pick good-ass remixes with some class, you know, some dance shit? God. Dude, ABBA, bro, you can't. ABBA is a shit. Pablo is my shit. Look at that. Amy loves Pablo. Alright, can we appreciate the elephant in the room? How about that? Look at this guy. Oh, Amy's going. Amy is going, dude. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Look at this. Come on, Amy. 20, 33. That's what we need right here. We need a push. A nasty push. Right now. Yes. Let's go. Yeah, she's pushing, dude. She is pushing. You know what that reminds me of? What's that theme song with Star Wars theme song? Yeah. What is it called, though? My buddy Cameron would definitely know that. Let's rally it up, bro. Let's rally it up with some nice music. All right? Rally music. Some dance music, huh? A remix. Remix. Hey. Hey. You ready? Ready. Are you ready to rumble? I'm ready to rumble. Amy's ready to rumble. She ready to rally it up. Elephant, you ready, boy? Come on. Hey, we going. We flying right now. We flying right now. 11% up for the day. And Amy won't stop. I mean, look at that. Look at that shit. Guys. Let's go. Okay, let's fucking go, dude, and do this shit right now. Okay, no handle. No handle, Amy. You already know how it's done. No fucking handle. Let's go. Look at that. No handle, bitch. No handle. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Do the dance, baby. Yes. Show me the money. Guys, we need rockets in the chat. Look at that candle right there. Give me a million right here. A million in volume, please. Look at that candle right there, bro. 1.2 million. 1.2 million. 1.2 million right here, bro. Can you imagine that? Back to back, early on in the day. It's not even 11 yet, dude. And we're already at 1.2 million. Wow. Show them what you got, Amy. You know your potential. Yeah, no handle. No handle. Hey, let's get it. Maybe she'll say no handle to this shit, too. You know? She'll be like, yeah, bro, what up? Nah. That would be cool. Alright, because that's what she likes to do. I mean, look at this. Trapping all the fucking shorts right here. Look at that. No handle action. Wow. Hey, I love it, I love it, I love it. Keep rallying, man. And you know what? YouTube is cool with it. Hasn't told me jack shit. So I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it if you're cool with it. You know what I mean? Yo. You ready to get down? Get down. Hey. Come on, Amy. Don't stop now. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Show 'em what you got. We got another 1.2 million right here in volume. Damn. Yo. Amy. Impressive. Gimme more. Give it to me. Hell yeah. Love it. Amy, you're playing a show today. We're loving it. We love the show. All right, well, let's throw a little bit of YouTube algorithm in there. All right, we'll play some YouTube algorithm shit. Can't forget this one. Amy loves this one. Predicting a huge, possibly for sure. Let's look at it real quick. We are rallying, but let's look at what we got here, the levels, because that's important, right? We gotta look at the levels, those fib levels. You know what I mean? Wow, bro. Look at that, guys. You saw that Twitter post that I posted yesterday, that I tweeted out yesterday? I said, Ethereum Classic, on Sunday, I said Ethereum Classic went up 30% on Saturday. It's likely AMC will do the same thing. She went up 30% yesterday. Ethereum Classic has gone up 72%, and I believe it's still, it went a little bit higher than that, if I'm not mistaken. If we do repeat its pattern, 72% for AMC would be 27. Just a heads up, okay? Very, very cautious with that information. Be very, very cautious with that information. Because things don't have to play out the same way with Ethereum. It's just they did on this loop here, okay? And, yeah, whoa, what the fuck? Yo! Let's rally. Let's rally it up. Holy shit. Amy, we rallied today. That's what we came for, the rally. Let's go. Let's fucking go, yes. Amy, holy shit. You are impressive. You ain't never done such a thing in so long. We appreciate it. We really do. I love you, dude. I fucking love you, man. Wow, Amy, you are non-stop is a tease with you, huh? You better go. And you better go, go, go. We've seen this happen before, guys. We've seen this happen before many times. She does not like respecting cup and handles, okay? She'll just blast right through them, which is awesome. Very, very predictable here with AMC, alright? She loves it. Now, let's take a look at it for reference. Where else have we seen a cup that was not respect? Well, back here, there's another one. Blast right through and come up before doing this shit. Not be surprised if we get something like this, actually. That, and then following up to something like this. After hours doesn't count. Get that shit out of the way. Get it, Amy. Holy shit. What the fuck? Wow. Amy, and I think it still wants to come up, though. Yo, what if we get something like that? What if, huh? Yo! Let's get it. Let's fucking get it, okay? Wow. That's all I gotta say. Impressive. Impressive, Amy. We love you. Alright, that's what we got right here, man. So, yeah, little cup. I love using patterns because they lay out the fib levels for you. I mean, dude, they really do, man. This one is almost perfect. Okay, it's got the high here. You got similar lows, very similar high. If we start coming down and rest up before getting that next leg up, which is likely, dude. You know, it is likely for sure. And if we do, wow. We were tracking Ethereum Classic the whole fucking time, guys. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Alright, YouTube, give us a break, man. Let us rally with some news. Wow. Respect the fib levels, guys. What if we go to fucking 27 today? Let's see the fib levels back here. Holy shit. Yeah, I got it close. I got it close for sure. A little bit shorter. There. See what happens, man. That's what we do here, man. We try and figure it out. We try and figure it out. take them out for now. We'll come back to them. They're just for reference. All right. Let's go. Hey. 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 All right. Amy, you are doing so good. Amy's doing so good right now, dude. All right, I'm giving the algorithm a little break here before it freaks out on me. Before it freaks out on me. Okay, but this is what we're gonna do. We're still rallying right now, but we're gonna figure out what the best case here is for AMC, okay? You know what? I think Amy wants to glide in space right now. In cosmos. Hey. There we go. Gliding through. Yeah, we do have... You guys want to see something funny? You're right, my guy. You are right. Guess what else is falling? Oh, it's Ethereum? Oh my god, they're trading against each other? No way, bro. This is funny as hell. At this point, it's just like... Bro, what else do you need, my guy? This is fucking funny. You got caught. Lion. Wow. Crypto used against meme stocks for the purpose of leveraging their positions. clear to the eye. Clear to the eye. There's nothing else to say, guys. Ethereum, the reason we went up this week, the first indicator that we saw was Ethereum Classic telling us that. That was the confirmation. We got that shit, and now we're tracking. And look at that. Clear. My dude. It's just crazy at this point, dude. I don't even know what to say. It's fucking crazy. Wow, wow, wow. Get ready for this shit, man. Get ready for this shit. I guess the Ethereum macro dump has begun. And this is a good way that we're going to be tracking here. AMC's resting phase. Remember, things don't go up in a straight line. There are points in which it will come down to test support lines and stuff, and I will be updating you on that and when I think is going to happen according to the tracking that is occurring right now. Okay, so stay tuned for that, because that's going to be very important. Okay, not for anybody. Look, for if you're playing the if you're playing, you know, buy as many shares as you can sort of deal, and you got in low, like, you're good to go. It doesn't matter at this point. Like, you're doing your thing. If you want to make money doing, like, options and stuff, a good way to track what's happening here and when to get in low at a point, you know, in which we come back down, and you're like, all right, this is where Ethereum came back down, and now it's starting to come back up. Well, you can kind of set up a good strategy, and, you know, get in on a point there, and you can make a lot of money doing that. Okay, Ethereum Classic has been showing us that right now, and dude, bro, it's crazy what the fuck is happening right now. It's crazy. This is just insane. Somebody needs to do something about this. Okay, about to be a whistleblower up in this bitch. Mm-mm-mm. Please do. Dude, I love you guys, bro. I fucking love you guys. It's like, what happened to the music? Again? Fisher, thank you, man. Love to you, man. I'm happy. I'm happy to help wherever I can. You guys are everything to this community here, man. For real. This wouldn't be the same without this positive, positive vibes, consistent optimism, those vibes, man. That's what brings this chat. Gives that good vibe energy. Love it. You guys are awesome. Yeah, man, this is fucking crazy though. Guys, we're gonna make some fucking money. We are gonna make some money knowing what the hell's happening here. I will be doing a lot of research here in the next couple days just to figure out the correlation between the macro tracking and the micro, so I can share that with you guys, and then you do what's best for you. Your position will never be financial advice. It's just going to be my outlook on what I believe is happening here between the two. Okay, but it's clear, man. It's very fucking clear. Okay, that shit is going down here. I mean, this is fucking like no. You cannot tell me this is not happening. It's happening. All right. Jesus. Let's give Ethereum Classic a little rest. Just gonna chill it out here, see what's got up in Amy right now. We got a little arc pattern in action, a little blue pattern here on the minute chart. Hello. Come back down. We're gonna do something like that maybe. Recreate the AMC pattern. Right, that's what they'd love to do. Just recreate that arc pattern from day one. Things are looking awesome though. I'm loving it. Woof. Look at that. Yeah, once we establish the breakout here, like if we surpass, okay, because this was a quick touch, but if we come above this level right here, and we actually hit it, bro, and we chill up here, it's gonna boom, bro. It's gonna boom to levels that we're expecting, right? Okay, I was calling for, and this is still a price target, okay? I called it right down here, okay? I said that where is that scenario that I have right here? Where is it? Right here. Look, it went up higher, but this is what I'm looking for right here. Is that price target for the 29th, and then going into the beginning here of the 120-day theory would be to fully have this setup ready for the next leg up, right? And that would be a projector pattern that we have to build right around this range. That would take us on this larger cup, right? Cup, handle, and then we go up if that projector gets thrown off, right? With all the volume coming in, all the FOMO exceeds that threshold, and then we boom. Just like what happened back here. Because back here we have a projector pattern. And that one failed to take in the volume and stop it. So if we have a projector pattern here on that cup, it's a very similar scenario if things do play out. If they don't, then you're gonna have a similar setup to what happened back here. So there's two ways this thing can go down, and I'm going to share that with you because we have to be cautious, right? Of with either scenario, you have to do its best. You know, if things don't play out your way, it could be two projector patterns. One plays out to the upside and one plays out to the downside, okay? One there, one there. It's gonna set up somewhere around this range in my opinion, and it's either going to fail or succeed. Yo, what's up, man? Juan Paulo, what up, brother? Is that you, man? Is that you? Is that my best friend? What up, man? From Colombia, right? Colombiano. Juan Paulo. My dude, what up? I love that. I love that. My dude, this guy, I grew up with him, man. Juan Paulo. This guy is my dude. We're best buds. I miss you, bro. Hit me up on chat. Let's chat it out. Fucking love you, dude. I love you, man. I love you, I love you, I love you. You have to hit me up, man. Hit me up right now. Look at that. Ready for some action. Okay. Freeze, what up, dude? Bananas. Bananas. Bananas, bananas, bananas. Bananas. Thank you, dude. My dude, little banana moon. How about that? When are we gonna reach the banana moon? When is it gonna go down? Soon. Soon for sure. Alright, let's take a look at the arc pattern because we always fucking track that shit, dude. I'm telling you, man. We love repeating that freaking fractal right over here. This entire fractal. We just love repeating that shit. Coming with me. You are coming with me, sir. Red air. A minute. I always track this just in case, okay? I like to say it over and over again because some people are like, bro, why are you taking patterns? Why are you doing that? Because I want to help, bro. I want to help you. This is pattern analysis, all right? Hey, you at though? Hey, what's up? You guys see that? Just... You see it, right? This is going into the little blue projector pattern. Stall display, right? Projector pattern, blue pattern, arc shit, bounce. Let's go. End of fractal. Going into a black hole and say bye-bye. Doing something else now. That's exactly what it is. No, we'll keep these here for reference. We always do. Look at that. Oh shit, we forgot. Yo, wait. We took this pattern from below here, and I just popped it right back up. And look at that. Yo, hold up, cause this might just say fuck you to arc pattern. It might just be like, all right, I'm ready for the next rally. So we gotta get the elephants in the chat, just in case, around this right here, around 11:45. We gotta get this shit pumped, ready to go, because we might just play this thing out. You never know. You never fucking know. This thing might not be over yet. We're gonna leave it right here, and we're gonna see what's up. We're not gonna move it. Look at that donut hustle with the elephants. Yes, I will play the elephant tune for you. Of course. What this is all about, baby. Elephant tunes. And dance, bro. You're gonna dance with ABBA, Muse, all of the above. Especially if we start playing this pattern out, babe. Especially if we start playing this pattern out. You know what? How about a pre-rally? Yeah, dude, I'm pumped. I am pumped. How about a pre-rally? Okay, YouTube. Break's over. All right. Let's go again with good old ABBA. You can't fuck with that. Oh shit. I'm sorry. Sorry. Sorry, we gotta rally though. We gotta rally. Are we gonna rally or what? Is it gonna go down? Let it go down. Like, not down, but like, let's get down, you know? Come on, come on. Volume right here. Here, let's do this. Actually, this is a little bit off. Sorry. Ethereum Classic right now, dude. Look. I think, bro. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Come on, guys. Yo. Yo. There it is. Alright, they're pumping Ethereum. Watch out. They are pumping Ethereum right now. Watch out for Amy right now. If Amy starts to dump, they're pumping Ethereum. Ethereum Classic. Here, let's label them so you guys don't get confused. Alright guys, this might be the turn that we're looking for. Let's go. Let's go, Amy. To the moon. Show them what you got. I got you, man. I will. I love you, bro. I love you, man. We do have that arc pattern playing out, though. However, guys. Okay, watch this. See? So, when is it going to give up? Probably right here. And then there's going to be upside. It's going to give up right around this range. So, keep an eye out for that. Okay? It's both of them. Okay. Okay, so some people are asking about the correlation, okay, between these two. I just want to say real quick, guys, the Ethereum Classic correlation with AMC is, so on run-ups, on major run-ups like you're seeing right now, you're typically going to see the inverse happening because they're using this liquidity to pump into AMC, okay? On the macro, you're going to see them track very closely to each other, kind of like how these two look, right? These two, they're a little bit apart. Okay, one's going to play out maybe a couple days beforehand, but over time, you're going to see them separate, okay, slowly. So, you know, one day it's going to be tracking like 2 days apart, and then the next week it's going to be tracking like 6 days apart, and then weeks later it's going to be tracking, you know, weeks apart. It's slowly breaking out. Right now, you're seeing them track very closely to each other. This is intraday, though, however. Intraday, it's different. Intraday, you're going to see one pump and the other dump. But on the macro, okay, that is what we have to look at. On the macro, you are going to see them track differently, okay? I'm going to pull it up here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. We'll come here on the 4 hour. I'm just doing a quick update for those of you that are like confused. You're like, why do you have Ethereum on the screen? Well, I'm going to show you why, okay? ETC. All right, do you see what's happening right now? Okay, we are playing out this Ethereum thing very like we are tracking it for sure. Okay, Ethereum went up first, we're coming up right behind it. That is a given. The reason this was this was something that I was considering here on Sunday was because of what happened back here. Okay, Ethereum Classic went up first. The shift is over 28 days, okay? You can see, and I'm going to take away the AMC chart so you can see both of these. I'm shifting it over, okay? I'm not changing the structure of what's happening, okay? You can see these points of interest, okay? This was when it started, really, was the initial run-up of GameStop and AMC, and then they were like, fuck, we need to use something, right? And you saw little by little along the way, things trade against each other around this range too with GameStop. Do you see these phases though? You got projector pattern, mid phase, and then the run up. It aligns perfectly with Ethereum Classic, perfectly with it. This is why I believe things are tracking with crypto, and it's crypto on the macro, but this Ethereum Classic is what we're tracking. For sure. So I'm going to use this for basically it's one indicator that I'm using, and it's not going to be a traditional indicator, man, but it is something that I'm looking at as far as the price action goes, because bro, I've never seen something so I've never really had, you know, like with any indicators that I put out. Okay, typically they all go hand in hand with each other, and this is that time in which everything's aligning. The cycle's aligning with it. That 120-day theory is aligning with it. We got Ethereum Classic aligning with it. Fucking Fourier transform, dude, telling us that the SPY is going to boom soon, is aligning with it. So mid caps, small caps, it's all coming together. It all makes sense. So too many things on the table to ignore, man. Really, too many things on the table. So, yeah, can't ignore. Cannot ignore, my guy. So yeah, let's keep rallying. You know what I mean?
You can't stop us now. No matter how hard you try, you can't stop us now. We're the renegades in this atomic age.
What are we gonna get, Amy? Is it gonna be this pattern or the arc pattern? It's the arc pattern right now, currently.
Tom Paine, Dr. Martin Luther King, Malcolm X,
You guys want to see something funny? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh shit. All right. Hey. Alright, camera's getting a little resty. But you know what? We're still fucking tracking, bro. We'll be here and tracking. It's all good. Amazing. AMC amazing. Look at that tracking right here. If you are new to the channel, that's what we do in here. We do a pattern analysis. So we do a lot of pattern tracking. Try and figure out what the fuck is happening, why things are manipulated, why there's cycles, why, you know, pattern recognition in the stock market, how you can make money. It's a different approach in your traditional, you know, TA and stuff like that. We still use TA here, a lot of it, but it's definitely trying to unfold here what's happening. Oh, you guys want to kiss? Is that what you want to do? You want to kiss real quick? There you go. There you go. Kiss. Oh shit. It looks like we are playing out this pattern. Hey, let's get it. We're playing it out, bro. What the fuck? No way, dude. No fucking way, dude. No fucking way, dude. I think we figured out the stock market, guys. I think we have figured out the stock market. Get ready to rumble. Alright, we going up, and we ain't gonna stop. Kiss. Kiss. Inverse. We have figured it out, man. Let's go. Let's go. Why are you tracking so well? Alright, Ethereum, you're gonna go away for a minute. You're in the way. Get out. Let's rally, bro! Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Oh, shit. Amy. You want elephant? Okay, I'll give you elephant. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit, Amy. You are doing something.
Are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Killing in the name of. Killing in the name of. Now you do what they told you. Now you do what they told you.
You want monkey? You want a monkey, don't you? Well, I'll give you a monkey.
Now you do what they told you. And 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 now you do what they told you. Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and your chosen white. You're justified. Those that died for wearing the badge and your chosen white. Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and your chosen white. You're justified. Those who died for wearing the badge and your chosen white. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces
Oh
are the
shit.
same that burn
Oh
crosses.
shit, let's go.
Killing in the name of. Killing in the name of. Now you do what they told you. And 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 now you do what they told you. You're under control. And now you do what they told you. You're under control. And now
You want a monkey? I got you a monkey, baby.
and now you do
That's
they
what you
told
get.
you. Now you're under control. And now you do what they told you. Now you're under control. And now you do what they told you. Now you're under control. And now you do what they told you. Now you're under control. And now you do what they told you. Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and your chosen white. You're justified. Those that died for wearing the badge and your chosen white. Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and your chosen white. You're justified. Those that died for wearing the badge.
Get it, boy. Get it, boy. My guy going ham. He won't stop. He ain't gonna stop. He ain't never gonna stop. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Hold up, guys. We're just rally in your head, okay? Play some music on the background. Just pretend like, you know, it's so blissful out there that you can't hear shit, okay? You went deaf for a second. Because YouTube doesn't like the rally, okay? You don't. But you know what? We're tracking this pattern, and that's all that matters, okay? I would not be surprised if we hit that $22, $23 level and just chill it out, ride the waves. Okay? Ride the waves. I mean, look at that. She gonna go penetrate the fucking gorilla real quick. Come on. Do it real quick. Penetration. Hey, 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 hey. Look at that candle. I mean, bro, this guy is going ham dancing. Oh shit. That was fucking hilarious, man. Hey. There we go. We got flying elephants now. We got flying elephants. Alright, fuck it. Let's play some more music, right? We got elephants here. We got gorillas up in this bitch. Yeah, there you go. Do your dance. Get it. Rockets. Let's go. Elephant. Can we really just, like, acknowledge this fucking pattern, bro? Leading the way right now? What the hell, bro? Hey. Let's rally it up, baby. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's dance. Let's rally. Let's dance with the elephant, the gorilla. All this shit. Let's go. Oh, fuck. You getting tight, baby. You getting close. Let's get that money, bitch. Show them what you got, Amy. Show them that you don't stop. We ain't never gonna stop. I ain't never gonna stop loving you. Big. Let's go. Isn't that just beautiful? Alright, looks like the gorilla got really close to it. Amy, you know what you gotta do now. Penetration, ultimation. Let's go. Come on. Don't stop. Get it. Run it. Can I show your your wife's boyfriend? Yes, I can. Hey, boyfriend. I will show you some comparisons, of course. I'm actually gonna take some time to do that just because we are doing a little tiny dip here, which is fine. I'm about to reverse on that. We'll see right here in the short term. Let's just pull this up. That's the inverse, and here we got this and that. Okay, you got that pattern right here. Okay, these are playing out very nicely. Okay. We're dropping a little bit. It's okay. Not the end of the world. But let's see. Let's pull up Ethereum. Ethereum is coming down with it right here. Let's see. Is the SPY coming down? Because when things come down together, typically you have a market coming down. So let's take a look at the wonderful Miss Wonderful SPY. Hello. Okay, the SPY is coming down. So this will naturally bring, if it's coming down together, it's going to naturally bring both of them down. But you have to consider the outlook here. Okay, what you're looking at is this. Okay, one's coming up while the other one's coming down. And that is a correlation here that we have intraday. Okay, sooner or later, you will see these separate on a larger time frame. So looking at it from like the daily perspective, they're going to be tracking a couple of days apart, inverse to each other. So as one comes up, okay, and it starts to come down, now you got that cash, man. You got that money. So the other one, you know, is coming down, and now they got that money, so they're going to start pumping it. So you see the correlation? So here's Ethereum and here's AMC. You will start to see this in the short term. On a larger scale. We're just starting to see that now. We're starting to see that now. Here's Ethereum Classic. Okay, and then laid over Amy. Where is that chart I just had? I don't know. But you get the deal, right? You get the deal. And we're looking good, though. We're looking good. Let's see what the SPY is looking at here. touching the zone here. Ooh, I would not be surprised if we kick it off here and do a rally. Ah, this is so freaking hilarious, bro. This is so fucking hilarious. Fast Fourier transform called this, guys, is the craziest shit in the market. Cycles. A lot of cycles in the market. Crazy. It's real. Okay, let's take a little breather here. Let's just go back to the main stream. Okay, Dancing Gorilla's still on the page. My dude, you gotta go for a minute, just real quick. No, you gotta go too. Okay. Well, now we got good old, just good old plain background, just so you guys can see clearly what's happening. Clear. I gotta get both of these. We'll probably play some lo-fi jazz. Chill it out, man. Chill it out with Amy. All right. What happened to my playlist? There we go. All right. Okay, let's take away Ethereum once again. We'll leave that chart there, and we'll go intraday elsewhere. Or not intraday, but just on the macro. Just update some things here, guys. Okay, so we're doing pretty good so far. Oh, you guys are you guys ready to be blown, my dude? Are you ready to be blown? I'm about to show you something that I haven't showed anybody yet. GameStop. Okay, we're tracking both. All right, Jimmy, Amy, Jamie, we're tracking both. GameStop has its own cycle. Okay, get ready to be blown. This was predictable. This was very predictable. Okay, consider this pattern right here. Now, consider, I'm going to draw some arrows so this makes perfect sense. We have, this is the 120-day theory that we're talking about here, okay? So this is the same thing with GameStop, except GameStop runs a little bit differently on its covering and shorting stages. They work a little bit different. Here we have a shorting stage and then a covering stage. In between is just that stagnant pressure. It's just constant shorting, really, but a release you get 90 days later. Let's clone this pattern. Happen over here. Okay, that's one. Let's clone this one more time. You guys seeing that? To a T, baby. To a T. Now watch this. Right here. This one's a little bit more spread out, but you have to look at these zones, okay? Look at the zone. Don't look at the nasty pressure, okay, that is happening right away. These are the zones in which they're happening. This is one right here. You can't see it clearly, but that is one. And then over here, you get the release again. Every 90 days. Every 90 days. And in between, we seem to have some, like just some sideways pressure right here. Okay? Just sort of chills it out. Nothing big, right? Now, apply this to what happened back here. And what do you get? Same fucking thing. Okay, we have the sideways zone here was a little bit larger, but my explanation for this is because, okay, the cycles are about to get bigger. As the rollover starts, the cycles get bigger because you are now reaching a higher territory, or you're basically aiming for a higher territory, so the cycles are going to be larger. This is crazy. I found this out yesterday. What the fuck? This is GameStop's cycle right here. This is GameStop's cycle, bro. Does that not blow your mind? You know what I mean? What the fuck? All right. I'll leave that there, and we will come back to it. I get sidetracked really easily here, but I'm sure you guys you're like, what the hell is this guy on? Like, why is he fucking talking about everything? I'm trying to like help you, bro. I'm trying to help you, okay? I'm trying to help. All right. And also when we look at GameStop, you know, we can, it's the same thing as looking at Ethereum too. Ethereum Classic. We can compare the two to understand when other cycles happen based off of its history. If one pops one day and you're tracking that cycle, well, you can track another stock cycle, compare it to that cycle, and be like, okay, well, now we popped and now it's their turn to pop. You know what I mean? That's the beauty of it. And that is what we're going to be focusing on this channel moving forward. When AMC squeezes, that is all we're going to do. Like, this is the pattern analysis has to do with cycles. It's trying to figure out when cycles happen, when things pop, okay? You're always going to have your traditional TA, but in this channel, we're figuring out, it's like beyond technical analysis on what I believe is happening with the market and why things are being pumped, why they're being dumped, what is being used as leverage to do these things, right? So it's really its own thing. It shouldn't even be considered cycle theory. It's not. It's fucking, dude, it's clear. You can predict these things. This one was predictable, like, for sure. Look at that. Downward pressure, up. You saw the same thing right here. Up. 90 days. 90 days. And these zones, I'm telling you, man, the cycle's about to get bigger. And what I mean by that is, like, on a macro level, like when you're reaching like higher levels, that is why the cycle is going to get bigger in the end. But in between, you're going to be having to cover the same 90-day cycle throughout the entire pattern. Hey. Yeah, I know I sound crazy to a lot of people, man, especially on TikTok. I can't, man. Look, TikTok is cool, and I post minis on there, like, just like little clips and stuff. But dude, like, for whatever reason, people on there just do not like cycle theory. They don't like cycle. They don't like anything to do with cycles. They think it's a lot of just BS. And, you know, anybody can say anything on there. It's the most, like, there's no filter on that app. I don't care, though. I don't give a shit. You tell me whatever the fuck you want, boy. It ain't gonna do whatever you want, bro. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Too much shit going on right now. Okay. We'll stick on this page. Ethereum. Yo, let's take a look at the EMA cross that we're currently tracking too. Let's go on the daily. Wow, would you look at that? Would you just look at it? EMA cross. Yo, look at how close we are, man. Look at how close we are to hitting this bitch, bro. This reminds me of this, man, so much. Because we didn't touch this shit for a while. On the last EMA cross that we got. you know? Oh, no. Bro, what the fuck, man? All right, hold up. So the cool thing about EMA is that you can kind of just... I am not pushing this out at all, just so you know, just so you guys know. Don't fucking come at me with this BS that I predict that I said something about us doing something like this. I'm curious. Because the EMA cross back here on the daily, this one was a 600, almost 700% return right here on this EMA cross. Okay, we've only gotten this one, and this one took a while too. We got it right around, yeah, right around this range too. You know what's weird, bro? This goes hand in hand with that fucking projector pattern that I'm talking about. This would be the projector pattern. And this is where it fails or it succeeds. And then this is where you either get the upside or downside. This is the setup that we're looking at right now. This is massive cup and handle taking us to higher levels. Wow. Imagine that, though. That would be fucking crazy. I'm gonna keep that for reference. The EMA cross, guys. EMA cross is huge. Do I believe AMC and GameStop are turning into Tesla-style runs now? No, I don't. I don't think you can do that. Tesla was not a meme stock back in the day, but when it did squeeze, it did not, there wasn't the same type of movement involved. This is completely different. You have a completely different crowd going into it. One trigger here and it's over. But I do believe that they will have enough time to create a projector pattern. We see this happen on every run. There's a lot of new people in here, so I'm going to talk about this real quick because it's very important for people to understand this. And I want you to learn. I want you to learn how I look at things here. It's very, very cool the way that this works. But every run that we've had here in the past has had a projector pattern. What is a projector pattern? Projector pattern is basically a test zone that hedge funds use to understand the volume that is being that is coming in on the stock, right? And if their algorithm is able to stop this volume, okay, beforehand, then you will get downside, okay? These are all runs. This is a projector pattern, okay? So this is the chance that you get to get in on the stock. You're not missing out, guys, because nothing goes up in a straight line unless it's after our earnings, okay? And we're not dealing with earnings right now, okay? Earnings are a different story. They defy the rules of technical analysis and shit. This is setups for specifically for meme stocks that run up. I'm going to show you an example of a failed projector pattern. Right back here. This is a failed projector pattern. So it goes two ways. It'll succeed or it'll fail. If it fails, you're going to get downside. If it succeeds, I'm sorry, you're going to get downside. Succeeds in stopping the volume from coming in. So all the volume that you guys are throwing in the market, the FOMO, if it thinks it could stop that volume for a little bit more, it's going to analyze the entire chart and be like, all right, well, you know what? We played this giant flag for so long. Let's just break it down and just, you know, take this down a little bit more and make some money along the way before covering all these shares again. And then we'll, you know, psych out all these shorts, all these longs. It's the entire market, bro. Okay, this goes, you know, hand in hand with the cycle. The cycle here is will tell us that here. The cycle gave us that opportunity both times, and now we're on the zone. We're on the projector pattern currently here in the short term, building a little projector pattern. before coming back up, and at some point here in the near future, we establish that it's going to probably look very similar to one of these. Okay, it might look like that. It might look like that, honestly. We might set up right around this range, which is every scenario that I have put out has the same date. It all has the same date, April 1st. Okay, April 1st is when we get that handle, and if it completes it, great, we go up. If not, then we're gonna come back down for a little bit more, repeat the cycle, and hope for another projector in the near term. Okay, so keep an eye out for that. Now it would be around April 1st. I'm not saying April 1st, but around this zone. See, April 1st to like April 7th, around there. Okay, so that is a projector pattern, sir. I hope that cleared up some things for you guys that don't know what's happening. It is a different approach, okay? So I understand, I completely understand. If you want to learn more about it, there's videos on this. There's one called Cycle Sessions. That one goes over everything. Like if you wanna know how the projector pattern works and stuff like that, go watch that video. I recommend it. Cycle Sessions, Trading with Emotions. All right, let's go intraday. Getting a little bit of a breather here. This might be that sort of turning point here in the short term. Let's see if it goes hand in hand with that pattern that we were just looking at. It's very, very close. Very, very close. Now the ratio might have been a little bit off, but it doesn't matter, bro. It don't matter at the end of the day, because the ratio is what we were tracking. Very, very similar. So we do something like that, we might get a little bit of a return here, something like that, and then just this might be the arc that we're looking for here for the rest of the day. I don't know, maybe we will get a rally here going into the rest of the day. All right. Wow. Get a little V reversal action, you know what I mean? All right, I'm gonna read up on the chat real quick. I know I haven't answered some of your questions, so I'm sorry if I haven't got to you. It's just when times are like this, you know, Amy's rallying and, you know, it's crazy, but hey, I'm gonna look into it, okay? I'm sorry if I haven't gotten to your question. Oh, I'll just do a little update here as well. If you guys want to, let me see if I can pull this up here, if it'll let me. See if it works. There we go. Hey, I made a website for you guys. It's free. It's pretty cool. I mean, you got scenarios. Got your weekly scenario. I posted this 2 days ago. This is what we got so far. It's close, man. It's close. I did have a little bit of downside going into the rest of the week, and I accidentally put in Monday there. But if we do come down, again, it's just going to be a quick breather. It's not the biggest deal. We have pattern analysis as well. So it'll show you the patterns. You got your tickers up here just so you don't get sidetracked, you know. We also have videos. It's got all the videos here for you guys. Well, the ones that are important. Cycle Sessions is the one that I was talking about that you guys should look at. And then there's also a album, AMC, Behind the Squeeze, and you got all the songs, okay? I'm going to keep adding to this. This is a continuing album. It's not out yet. This is just a little, like, demo, like, pre-album, you know, part 1, stuff like that. At some point, I'll release the whole thing, but tradingwithemotions.com. Check it out if you want, okay? It's free again, just for you guys. For you guys to see, all right? Hell yeah. Appreciate you guys. Hope you like it. Figured it'd be a good way to interact, to, you know, have like an interactive chart. It might be a little bit better to have everything all, you know, in one place, so you don't have to go, you know, on TradingView and then Spotify and YouTube. Like, just why not have it all in one place? And I am gonna add the streaming there soon, just in case, you know, YouTube takes me down or whatever on the squeeze, because you never know, man. During the squeeze, they like to pull some shit and then take you down and stuff. So we don't want that. We don't want that at all. Okay, let's go here. Yeah, intraday, still looking pretty good. Let's take these patterns away. Kind of know what's happening. The SPY is taking a pretty nasty dip, so I think it is bringing that pressure down naturally. So just kind of look at that, you know, here in the short term. Yeah, pretty crazy stuff. I don't have a Twitch or a Rumble, but I am going to integrate that soon as well. I have that option available. I'm working on just a big project to put out there, so I will have that for you guys for sure. Just make it really accessible to everybody. Thanks for, yeah, and if you guys have any feedback, man, please throw it in the chat. Like, I really do consider it. Like, I build everything according to what you guys want. It's not my preference. It's entirely yours. So make sure you, if you have anything, man, just... Twitch, for sure. Definitely we'll get a Twitch going. Double it up on Twitch. Yeah, you're right. You are right. Thank you, Mr. Yeah, if you haven't already, man, if you like the stream and you want notifications, you know, when I go live, make sure you subscribe and you hit that little bell, man. I don't have like a specific time that I go on, so it'll be kind of random, just because I have to lay stuff out. I have to put things according to, you know. And then, guys, I'm not going to lie to you. I stay up really late sometimes, and I wake up a little bit later in the day. But now that we're rallying, you know, I am waking up earlier in the day, so expect me to be on earlier. Welcome, welcome. There's Ethereum right there. We're getting a little push here. But I am expecting just a bit of sideways pressure here, just going into maybe about an hour from now, or maybe an hour and a half, 2 o'clock time. We might start getting another push. That would be ideal. Right now, it looks like we might be building this sort of like fake out, yeah, what do you call it? Freaking head and shoulders fake out. That's what it looks like. And this in turn might kick us off, right? You finish the inverse head and shoulders, right, or the head and shoulders, and fake it out, say nah bitch, and then go up. You know what I mean? Because that's what Amy likes to do. Honestly, man, I have not. I had an opportunity once to do a position, but I didn't end up doing it. I'm currently in a place where I'm just kind of chilling it out here at home and just having a good time here with you guys. I love AMC. I love this whole movement. So I haven't considered something like that. I would like to keep things pretty independent. If I'm being honest with you, I would love to just kind of do my thing with this, man. I love streaming. I love making music, dude. I love all that stuff, and just pushing it out to you guys. That is a passion. That is a passion for sure. So yeah, just figuring it out here, and you know, that's what it be, man. That's what it be. Any channel tips? I would recommend you go watch. So the videos, man, that I just showed on the website, just click the website below and it'll take you straight to the videos. I recommend you watch every single one of those. It'll cover everything that we do here. It's got the cycle, all the cycle stuff. The blue pattern is really crucial to this whole thing. It talks about cycles and fractals, how we compare them, how we track them, how we calculate them. Basically everything. One that I'm going to add is the most recent one, is talking about the 5 indicators that I'm looking at for the setup that we have right now for AMC. There's 5 indicators that are pointing to the upside. So I would recommend doing that, man. I think you'll really, and they're not long. I try and keep my videos very short and straight to the point. Some of them have music, just because I feel like sometimes music, it's a better way to kind of express yourself and sort of get that engraved in your head. If you think about it, if you're constantly saying the same lyrics and those same things, you can kind of think about the cycle in that way. There's a cycle song is good if you want to kind of learn a little bit about how the cycle works. A little bit of a breather for sure. Okay, guys, so this is the deal. We are gonna take a lunch break here, okay, for about an hour, and I'm gonna be back here before what they call power hour, right? But it would be like 2 o'clock, and we are going to see what's up with Amy, and then we'll go from there. We'll stream for a little bit longer into after hours, and we'll chill it out, okay? Make sure you guys come back here. I will be here in about an hour and a half, all right? Go have some lunch. Go chill with your fam. Go chill with your kids, your dogs, your cats, your pets. Go love them, okay? I fucking love you, and I'll be back, all right? Fucking love you, bro.